Over the last 14 and a half years that we've been involved with solar, we've been doing a lot of research and innovation here at the University of Waterloo, McMaster University, and at the University of Toronto. We have found Ontario a great place to develop innovative technology, and we're very excited about the technology we've been able to develop. We're now in this process of commercializing our technology, and in that we've been able to create a very significant company, growing from basically my wife and myself in 1996 to close to 200 employees now in 2010. So our initial involvement with solar energy was doing some consulting on a project to put solar on the 1996 Olympics. We were involved in the power electronics, and in that process learned an awful lot about solar as a broader application, and basically we decided that's what we're going to do with Arise Technologies, is create a Canadian solar energy company. Initially, for the first several years, we were doing a lot of research at the University of Waterloo. Technically, we're University of Waterloo spin-off company. We've been involved with a lot of innovative work in pretty much every aspect of solar energy. In late 2001, we decided to focus on the actual solar cell, which is the heart of a solar energy panel, such as what I have behind me. And that's the heart of the solar photovoltaic panel. And that's what takes the sunlight and converts it into usable electricity. We've been doing a lot of research and innovation, and in 2006 we decided to go to Germany for a couple of reasons. First of all, that's where the large market is, and that would be a great environment to take the innovative technology we've been developing in Canada and bring it to market on the worldwide scene.